Chapter 13. Simple Machines. Simple machines. Lever. Inclined plane. Wheel and axle. Wedge. Screw. Simple machines. Machines are the tools that make work easy. A simple machine is a tool. They can make work easier. Lever. These are simple machines used to lift heavy objects. It is a bar that moves on a fixed point. One end of the lever is pushed up to lift the heavy object at another end. Wedge. It is a simple machine having sharp edges. These edges can split the things apart. Example of wedges are knife, fork, axes, and nails. Screw. Screw is a simple machine used to hold things together. Inclined plane. This simple machine is a flat surface that is higher at one end. It makes the movement of things easier. Slides and ramps are inclined planes. Wheel and axle. The axle is a rod that goes through the wheel. Things can be moved with the help of wheel and axle. Pulley. It is made of wheel and rope. They move objects up, down, and sideways.